What you might not know about environmental related disease. Environmental related diseases are not just conditions that only occur with exposure to high amounts of a certain toxin, say asbestos and mesothelioma or trichloroethylene and kidney cancer. And while these are emblematic of the relationship between environmental toxins and diseases, cancer being the deadliest, it is not by far most representative. The most common environmental related illnesses look like the common everyday diseases that are most prevalent in society. Common diseases that we might think of as only being related to lifestyle, how well we eat, and if we're fit. And that is despite the fact that research linking toxins to common diseases, doctors still do not consider toxins as part of the evaluation and treatment of these chronic diseases. So we continue to not think of the typical diseases as environmental related. Well, here are just a few of the diseases I'm referring to. Diseases like heart disease and hypertension because lead and mercury damage the arteries. They cause inflammation. So heart disease and high blood pressure are environmental related diseases. Or obesity and diabetes type 2 that is, because estrogenizing compounds like BPA and phthalates, they promote fat storage, which is the number one risk for type 2 diabetes and insulin resistance. So diabetes and obesity are very much environmental related. And fatigue, although not necessarily a disease, but certainly a sign of illness, our mitochondria are highly susceptible to the harmful effects of a wide variety of environmental toxins. Toxic metals are another example. And many toxins, they damage the mitochondria and interfere with their ability to generate ATP, which is our currency for energy. Therefore, chronic fatigue and chronic fatigue syndrome are environmental related conditions. Obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and hypertension are just some of the many diseases that owe some of their risk to environmental toxins. To learn more about toxins and how food, lifestyle, and supplements can assist in preventing environmental related diseases, subscribe to my channel and go to the link in my bio for my free video module on why you should perform nutritional detoxification and cleansing.